Greetings, global family. Here are instructions on how to search for Africa-born DNA relatives on Ancestry.com. The best method to do so is to use your browser and not the Ancestry app. Using your browser, log into your Ancestry DNA account using your username and password. After you are logged in, select DNA, which is located at the top of the page. A drop-down list will appear. Select Matches from the drop-down list. You will be redirected to your DNA match list. Immediately above your DNA match list, on the upper right-hand side, you will see a magnifying glass icon and the word Search. Select Search. Your DNA match search options will appear below your name. On the right-hand side, locate the section that says Birth Location in Matches Trees. Type in the African country that you wish. In this example, I typed in Nigeria. Then select Search. If your DNA match indicated someone that was born in Nigeria on their ancestry tree, their name will appear on the next screen. If any names appear on the list, scroll down until you see African names. You can exclude English or Spanish names. As you continue to conduct ancestry research, the various African names will become familiar to you. You will begin to learn how to associate the names with specific ethnic groups. From this list, tap on the name of the match. In this example, I selected the match named Ola Funmi. I have an idea that this is a Yoruba name, but certainly confirm the ethnic group with the match by direct communication. Don't search for the person on social media and become intrusive. We'll show you what to do. Currently, you are not required to have a paid subscription on Ancestry.com in order to send messages to your matches this way. You should always be able to see your DNA matches at no extra cost. On the next screen, you will see a side-by-side comparison. You will also be able to see if the match is 100% African. If the match is 95 to 100% African, send them a brief message of introduction and confirm. On the same page, just above the match comparison, select Message. Here's a tip. We've found that preparing a message template for a few scenarios are very useful. It's definitely a time saver. You can place the template in your electronic research journal or a Word document until you need them, or type this message. Add your specific info, such as your name and country. Always state your name, the reason you are contacting them, and close your message. Don't send them a whole novel or soliloquy, and don't be vague. A one-liner won't work very well. Many will not respond to messages like, "May I have access to your tree?"
I don't even know what that means.
After you've sent messages to the African matches that were on your location list, follow the same steps for searching. Simply go back to your match list and either type in a different country or change the country name in the Search by Location bar. Here are a few tips that are very helpful. Never screenshot the person's name, image, DNA results, or private messages to you and place them on social media. That's an invasion of privacy. Patiently await a response. Never be pushy or rude. DNA matches are not required to provide any info. Update your family research journal while you wait. Continue your research with other matches. If they do not respond or take a long time to respond, it's okay. Remember, they don't know you. They decide how much information that they wish to share. This applies to any DNA match. At least you know that you may have an African-born match. That's better than nothing. Keep in mind that some people don't log into the testing websites often. Now that you have these instructions and tips, may your research be fruitful and informative. May your jollof rice be filled with flavorful excitement. Enjoy your ancestral journey.